For SolidWorks development, you should reference the SolidWorks Constant Type Library. This is what I am referring to. SolidWorks Constant Type Library. And we have done this when we have referenced the libraries from when we have first time created this project in Visual Studio. This type library provides definitions used in SolidWorks API methods. The constants are passed to methods instead of a number values. This ensures that when you install a new version of SolidWorks, the code you have created will work the same as it did in the last release. The number values can change from release to release. The constant values will not change. They will only be appended to. If you record a macro using VBA environment in SolidWorks, the type library will automatically include it. To check this, you need to go to edit macro recorded in the SolidWorks, choose tools, references. We can also see that quickly. Yeah, tools, then references. You can see these three libraries, type, constant, and commands are included by default. Just now we talked about the importance of constant type library.